Welcome to Unit 8, Section 6, Lesson 1, Video 1, Identifying Transformations in Tessellations. In the previous section, we learned what a tessellation was, and we discovered some of the shapes that can tessellate and some that cannot. Basically, all tessellations are created by performing transformations on an original shape. In this video, we're going to learn how to identify those transformations. For example, if we consider the blue shape, in order to get shapes A, B, F, and G, we would need to do a translation. If we take the blue shape and we shift it 4 units to the right, we would get A. If we take the blue shape and this time shift it 8 units to the right, we would get shape B. If we take the blue shape and go 2 units to the right and 6 units down, we would get shape F. And finally, if we translate it 6 units to the right and 6 units down, we get shape G. In this diagram, we also have some reflections. In order to get shape A, we could reflect the blue shape across the purple line, which is a vertical line. In order to get shape C, we could reflect the shape across the red line, which is a horizontal line. Finally, we also have rotations in this tessellation. In order to get shape C, we could rotate the blue shape 180 degrees about point P. So C is a 180 degree rotation. In order to get shape D, we would rotate again, but this time we would rotate it 180 degrees about point Q as shown. So D is a 180 degree rotation about point Q. Finally, in order to get shape E, we simply change the point of rotation to R, and we would rotate it 180 degrees once again. Sometimes in a tessellation, in order to get a certain shape, we need to do a combination of transformations. So for example, if we look at shape E, we just said that we could have done a 180 degree rotation about point R. There are several other ways we could get shape E. For example, if we were to rotate the blue shape to get D, and then reflect that shape across the blue line shown here, we would also get shape E. Or, let's just draw on this red line. If we reflect the blue shape across the red line to get C first, then translate that shape 8 units to the right, we would get shape E. Another way we could get shape E would be to translate the blue shape 8 units to the right to get shape B, and then reflect B across the red line. Please proceed to video 2.